Now, back to the presentation. Now that we have discussed the flexibility on the menu's configuration and the whole process flow for the online ordering, let us focus on what happens at the restaurant site, at the kitchen. When the order is placed by the customer, it is automatically displayed in the orders management screen, what I have on my screen right now. Well, the order here can be opened or it can be placed in progress, right? Please keep in mind that when the order changes the status or in progress, the customer will receive a notification on their smartphone via text message or WhatsApp message, right? At the same time, if the restaurant has an order status screen, the order will be shown in the in progress list on that screen, right? So essentially the orders management screen is where we have the complete list of different orders to be processed. So we can see here, this is in the system now. So every time we're placing an order, and I really quick will configure an order here. I had already one created here. I will just move on it on this one just to show you the whole process, right? I will just add one item. I said that I'm gonna be just notified via text message and WhatsApp, and then this is the name that I want to assign to this particular order, right? It is called demo, so we can see it. Then I'm going to assign a number for this, right? I'm going to say that WhatsApp number is the same. Complete. I'm going to add 10% to the tip, and I want to just have it pay at counter instead of debit credit card. So if I say pay at counter, when I hit finish, what happens is that the order is automatically shown. It's automatically shown, as you can see, in the orders list. So we can see it here. Then the order is displayed in the orders management screen. This is the one that we just received, right? And from this point on, well, there are multiple things that can be done. First and foremost, we might want to just open the order from here. We can just open the order, see what is the content of this. This is a custom pizza. We selected all these things, right? And from here, we can decide what is, well, the option to go. In this case, we can either move it, process it, or just say from this point, I want to send it to in progress. Or if we have the KDS in place, which is the screen, we see the whole order here, right? And then we can change the status of the order from this point. We can say either start cooking or in or if the order is in progress, we can finish cooking. So these two screens here will just allow us to this process. But let's focus on the orders management screen. So we are in this at this moment with the demo order. So we see here everything that is required, right? So we can process it accordingly. Once we define this, we can move this order to in progress. Now it's in progress. If we have a customer screen, we will see the automatic, the in progress, sorry, the order that we just moved to in progress in the list. You can notice that it will be identified with the name you assign to the order, right? If we have no assigned any name, it will be just the number, the order number. It is much easier if we assign a name, so we can identify this depending, of course, on the particular business operation. So we moved it to in progress. Now the order is here and we can keep adding things, right? So now that the order is in progress, we can mark it as ready, and then immediately in my screen, in my customer's order screen, we will see it. Please bear in mind that every time we're changing the order status from received to in progress to ready, customer will receive a notification directly on their smartphones. So as you can see, this is in WhatsApp. We received the notifications, order is now received. We can download either the order confirmation if it's not paid or the actual invoice if it's already paid. Now the order is in progress. So every time we're changing the status, we will receive either a message or we'll be receiving a text message or a message via WhatsApp depending on how we selected to be notified.